Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. Today we have good weather. It's about 65 degrees here down in Florida and I'm loving it. The fan is not on, the garage door is open, and today we have a nice little treat for you. I have been putting aside changing this on red for a long time, and it is the transmission mount. With all this torque hitting the transmission and that it has been on the car since 1997, you want to change these before it actually rips out and cause any damage to the rear main seal on that transmission, that tail. Because you don't want your output shaft bearing going bad because of a bad transmission mount. Since we have red jacked up right now, it is much easier to change this out, and it's very simple, very easy, and another quick video for you guys. With that said, listen, if you're not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, I want you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And also, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like and hit that notification bell so you can see the latest in every video that's coming from the Gaza Performance Garage. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get to work, and welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage.
I want you to see this. Hopefully you can. Here we have our engine mounts, original with the car, all beat up and separated. Do you see, with time, with these things, they go bad, and being normal aspirated for many years of service, and then all of a sudden you add a turbocharger to it, it will literally rip these things off to shred. Okay, so this is why we're changing this. It has too many gears and I know they go bad. The way to support this is just basically you get a flat piece, small one for this, because you don't want us to pierce the wood and crack it. And then you're going to put a flat one under the pan of the transmission. You don't want to push this in, okay, because it will restrict the flow of fluid going into the filter, and then you'll have oil supply problems. So now what we need to do is to pull this cross member off and then pull these bolts off here that is at the base, so we can have access to these bolts right there, even though I have access to them already, but just to make sure everything is all right. We're going to do this the right way. So I'm surprised the transmission has not fallen out. I am just so surprised. I've been throwing deuce at this thing so hard, and it has held up. I guess it has a fail-safe to it. Sits right in between the valley of something where it's secured. But this is crazy. Be sure to change your transmission mount, guys. This is serious. Thank God I did this, because next thing you know, the seal that's at the tail end of the transmission can go bad, and then your output shaft you can ruin the bearings. This is incredible. I recently changed the sensor, speed sensor, so that's new. Too high. So this was hitting on the body, basically. It was transferring a lot of energy to the body. All right, I guess there's only one way it can go up. Okay, it's a good thing I did it like that, because there's a pin right here that you need to make sure goes on right. So apparently this pin that you see right here goes right here, so you have it and it doesn't move. So put that pin right back there. That's why I tell you it's good to when you pull stuff off, you know, you place it the same way you took it off, so you can do a reference on there. And now we're gonna hand tighten all of these on. Catch this gasket back in. I'm going to have to do it one by one. So here we go. brand new mount, it looks so much better than before. I know you can see the difference because I can too. See, let me just lay down and show you what I'm talking about. Give me some light, please. Alright guys, you see this part right here, the fail-safe area, this was resting on this. This is what was causing, you can hear the noise vibrating through the whole cage of the car. And it's off it now. My mounts are strong. And the pan for the transmission, there's no dings or no dents because I use a large surface area wood and I gave it support. And that's what you want. You don't want to put your jack in the middle of this. You will put a big ass hole in there. And right here we got magnets with these little two indentations. We got magnets. This is catch all the metal fibers coming from the wear and tear of the transmission. You don't want to push these in and where it cannot get the flow of transmission oil. You don't want to push this in so it stops the flow of oil into the filter. Okay, then you're going to have a lot of transmission problems. If you see somebody doing that, just stop them before they mess your car up.
Yes, today we had a really nice short video, and it's very easy on me for editing, so that's a real good thing. This is what we changed out today. We changed out our original transmission engine mount. I want to show you something, what torque can do to an old transmission mount. You see that? It was one peg from coming off and destroying my transmission and my drive shaft. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell with the thumbs up. By doing all of these things, you help the channel to grow. I really do appreciate that. And also, it'll assist the algorithms to make everything go smoothly so that our video can be shown worldwide. I'd like to thank you very much for watching the Gaza Performance Garage. I'm Mr. Gaza, and I'm saying peace, love, and happiness. Hit that subscribe button right under. Thank you guys.